That is right, ladies and gentlemen. It is you, it is me, it is NBWD, Dave Canning of New Beginnings Window and Door here, wishing everyone watching a very happy and healthy new year. As we look forward to 2024, we want to look back at our top 5 favorite projects that we worked on in 2023. And our very first project is right here in Wappingers Falls. We came alongside Carton & Son Construction to truly transform this house. We went with Simonton twin casements in the front and 3 triple units along the side of the house. These before and after photos truly speak for themselves. Our next favorite was out at the Hudson Valley Hospice. This went from progress to perfection. These Colby Forgent windows have a bronze exterior and white interior and are full fiberglass, which is great for commercial application. Have a commercial project for 2024? We're here to help. Another one of our favorites was this stunning window wall out in Beacon. Signature Building Solutions installed these pinnacle-clad Windsor windows to create one of the views of the year. Imagine waking up and seeing that view every day. It'd be impossible not to begin each day with a beautiful view. Front doors are a first impression for a lot of homes. And this project in Pauling made such a good impression, we just had to put it on our list of favorites. This Cleary millwork door has a tricorn black interior and exterior with 3/4 light glass to let in so much natural light. And last but not least, New Beginnings window, door, and columns? That's right, not only can we distribute windows and doors, but we can distribute columns and porch posts, just like we did these Brosco columns out in Beacon. So that's our list of our top 5 favorite projects that we worked on in 2023. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you want your next project to make next year's list, why don't you give us a call at 845-298-DOOR or visit our showroom right here at 62 McKinley Street in the village of Wappingers Falls. So this way we can help you begin 2024 with a beautiful view.